Welcome back, guys, to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about low volatility, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to join the world's #1 Zero DTE trade destination. Enjoy, guys.
Hey Ernie,
Yeah.
is there any significance to the compression of the spread between the ES and SPX in the last 2 days?
Is there any
Yeah,
significance?
any significance of that happening? Is it because VIX has gone lower? Is it because we're pushing into high levels with really no territory above where we're at? I'm just curious. I'm not trying to put anything into it. I'm just noticing that it's compressing a bit.
What you're seeing is what's called pinning action. And the dealers and market makers are essentially they're going to sell any rallies and buy any dips. And they're going around those big gamma walls. That's what they're going to try to do. That's right now, that's their attitude. They don't want it to break away because you'll have an unbalanced market, unstable market. I don't know why they do it, but they do what they do. Just reading the results. According to the gamma right now, they are trying to keep it right where it is. But that's typical in a low volatility regime.
Yeah, because literally from a week and a half ago, it's gone from 50 point spread down to 30. Actually, it was 30 this morning, but it's 34 again. So it's moving all over the place. Yeah, I was just not sure if there was any significance to that or not.
It's a typical behavior in this kind of market. But I would suggest that when you have all the info, like you get a GEX chart, you get the VIX, show the market, and just give it to Convexity and ask it.
Yeah, okay.
It will do a very concise synopsis of where it is. It'll also tell you what strategies that you should consider or not consider, how to position them. And if it's all mumbo jumbo, just say, give me the TLDR or something, or give me the dumbed down version, which is what I usually do because I don't have time to read 5 paragraphs, but it gets very detailed in what the position of the market is and what are the dealers doing. And it's comprehensive, the report that it gives. So do that virtually every day, and then you're going to learn so much about how to read those charts. Now, when I finish Fly on the Wall, that'll be right in your face all the time. Convexity is going to be right there, essentially giving you play by play, blow by blow of what's going on in the indicators to your left. I don't know if that would be Convexity's left or not, because is Convexity like staring at you? Or?
Yeah, I've been trying to follow what David was been doing with Convexity and trying to push it, ask more detail and getting it. It's interesting.
So the breakdown of this goes something like this. This has been my experience over this time. So that's pretty much the breakdown of profits. And then, of course, everything over here is the other 50%. So what this is really saying, though, is that this 37.5%, actually, for some strategies, it could actually extend much further out. But it depends on where your trade gets placed. Wherever it gets placed, that's where it is. That 37.5% is going to be your bread and butter. It's the thing that keeps you in the game that you cannot just throw away. So in other words, if you're in a trade like this and you're sitting, I don't know, right here, you're a day out and you're not taking that, what could be maybe $200 to $400 right there. Might even be 1.2 to 400, and think that you're going to hang on for tomorrow and see if it will get in here. That's foolish. You got to take that. If you're not in the profit zone, there's really nothing to do. You do nothing. These trades here are, if you're going to look at your equity curve, the equity curves will generally look like this. These trades right here are what you get right here and here and here. If you don't take these, then these equity curves start looking like this. I'd rather it look like this and take those small wins.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's school community.